Welcome to Jovic Chevrolet Buick GMC. Let's take a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. And it comes equipped with tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, air conditioning, traction control, side airbags, 4-speaker audio system, anti-lock braking, 17-inch wheels, speed control, 4-wheel independent suspension, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Family owned and operated since 1968, Jovic Chevrolet Buick GMC has had roots in our community for over 50 years. Our friendly, courteous atmosphere and low-pressure GM certified sales team make it easy to select a quality car or truck from our large selection of new and GM certified vehicles. Our underlying commitment and loyalty to our customers has earned us both the 50-year Chevrolet Dealer Award and the 25-year Buick Dealer Award. So stop by today and experience our friendly country atmosphere for yourself. Jovic Chevrolet Buick GMC, where we don't just sell you a car, we help you buy a car. We're located at 2780 US Highway 34 in San Juan.